Here is here is a 1969 Adler Gabriele 25, serial number 14455748, as can be seen here. It is a fully functional portable typewriter made in Germany and is about 55 years old. It's in very good shape. It's plastic body but metal plating on the carriage. Every function is working except the button for the touch control, which seems to be missing. Or has never been installed. That's more what it looks like. The paint's in very good shape. There is barely scratches, although there is a label missing on the back, which does not seem to be too disturbing. This machine is equipped with a tabulator, backspace, margin release, and up to 2 line spacing. It's a foldable carriage return lever. Unfortunately, this machine did not come with a case. However, it's a very clean machine. When I got it, it had some oxidation stains on it, but I managed to rub most of it away, I think. Platen is in very good shape. It's not hard, it's not cracked, it's in very good shape, not worn. Inside's very clean. The spool's turned to both sides, so the ribbon advance still works properly as it should. It's basket shift. Shift lock works. Color selector works, although it needs some slight adjustments, which I'll attend to later. And this is the margin or the tab set and release. Oh yeah, and it has a carriage lock on the side here, which this engages the typewriter carriage. Still has the original drawband. This is the carriage release. Nice long attractive carriage return lever, which is always handy because personally I find those short levers that are here in the back a bit annoying. Not annoying. It doesn't work for me. It's too much of a nuisance to be returning the carriage all the way here, so I like this better. It's foldable. It's the paper. Disengage and engage the margins. Is a paper support. Here it says Gabriel 25. Paper bill is slightly worn, but it's still somewhat readable. You can see the platen is in very good shape. I'm putting this up on my website and on the local classified, so if anybody is interested. Like I said, from my sources, this machine is dated back to 1969. Of course, can't be sure since this machine is not on the present on the typewriter database. So I hope it's a bit accurate. The only thing I had to say, I'm just trying to think of what it was, is that yeah, most of the rollers are in good shape. There's one that has some slight cracks, but this is overall very good machine that could still obtain a lot of use, and it's quite an attractive looking machine. It has the Adler symbol here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.